This lecture is in English. Today we will talk about coronavirus new strain, that is Omicron या Omicron. Now every virus, whether you see any virus, right? Any virus in the world, every virus has a dream to have babies. Human beings also have a dream to have babies, but human beings need girlfriend and boyfriend for to have a baby. Virus do not need a girlfriend and boyfriend. He needs a living thing. He needs a living thing to have a baby. Either it is an animal, either it is a human being, either it is a plant. Virus is hunting for any living being to have a babies. Coronavirus has the same dream, but coronavirus is a big mafia. He has a big dreams. Why he has a big dream? He is infecting the person who has the largest population in the world. Like human beings have a largest population. Like other virus do not affect human beings because they affect other animals which do not have so much a population. But coronavirus want to become a mafia because he wants to infect every virus, every human beings which are in this world. Now he had infected China, like entire China, entire India, entire America, like it's a continent. It's affected entire America, entire Europe, entire Australia by changing its form. By changing in form, basically, coronavirus has many forms. Alpha form. It started with alpha form. It started with then beta form, then delta form. Now the other one is Omicron or Omicron form. Now Omicron form. Why these variants are so different? Basically, virus changes itself. Why it changes itself? Because it wants to hide from our immune system. Basically, our body is made up of cells, and these cells, some cells fight with the virus or bacteria, and these cells are known as immune system cells. Now virus want to protect itself from the immune system cell, so he changes its clothes. See, once like imagine you are a mafia who had killed someone. Now everybody knows this is a look of the mafia. If you change the face, now the other person will identify you. If you do plastic surgery, the other person will identify that this is a guy who had murdered 5 people, who had murdered 6 people. Similarly, the virus changes itself. He knows if I change my structure now, nobody will know I am the coronavirus, and I will multiply in the human cell, and I will make so many babies. Now that not girlfriend wala baby, that small baby, okay? Now, like some people call their girlfriend also baby. That not that baby, the small baby. So he will make so many coronavirus and he will infect so many human beings. He has a dream to infect many human beings. For that purpose, he has to change his structure. Imagine this is a Delta variant. Not that Omicron or Omicron. This is a recent, not recent one. That old one, that 1 year old Delta variant. Okay, that had killed many people in India, and it was a second wave in India because of this Delta variant. Now, this Delta variant of coronavirus or any coronavirus has an RNA protein, has an RNA inside the structure, and outer structure known as corona. Corona means it's like that the queens wear that crown. Basically, it's corona means crown. Inside the crown, you will find an RNA. RNA is a structure which determines the structure of the virus. Basically, virus is virus because of its RNA. Now this virus is unlucky. Why it is unlucky? He doesn't need girlfriend now, so that's why his RNA is also single. There are many viruses whose RNA is double, but this virus has RNA is single because he doesn't have a girlfriend now. That's why this RNA is single. He can make babies without girlfriend also. That's why he is single. Now this RNA will form in a coat. That coat is known as capsid, or this is basically a crown. If you have seen the crown, you will find the crown has spikes. Crown has spikes. Similarly, this crown also has spikes, and this spike works like a key. And when this spike bind to a lock, then then only the virus can enter the human cell. Now imagine this virus have been taken, delta variant is taken by human cell. Now I am the human and I had taken a delta variant. So whenever the delta variant enters, it can enter either through the food passage or either to the respiratory tract. When it enters to the respiratory tract, to the lungs, it enters into lung cell. Like your human body is made up of cells, now lungs are also made of cells. Now lung cells is like a kingdom. The kingdom is lock. The kingdom has a lock. Once you enter the key then only you can enter in the kingdom. The cell is like a kingdom. The kingdom has lot of water. Inside the water you will find a palace that is known as nucleus, and the nucleus has DNA, right? This DNA determines whether you will be tall, whether you will be short. Your lungs cells help in respiration, helps you in breathing. If lung cells are not working, you will not able to breathe and you will die. The coronavirus is seeing this kingdom in the cell of your respiratory system. He knows there is a cell inside the cell. There is a very big palace-like structure, that is nucleus. Imagine it is like a palace, and inside the palace you will find a king and queen, that is DNA, right? Now DNA, like you have 2 copies of DNA, from your father and from your mother. 23 DNA from your father, 23 DNA from your mother. They are like king and queens in the palace. They are functioning like they help in secreting of many enzymes which helps in normal physiology of the human beings. But this coronavirus will enter and it will affect the physiology. Now how it will affect the physiology? Now this coronavirus has spikes. What? It has spikes. These spikes will bind to receptors. Cells have many receptors. This cell also has a receptor. This receptor is known as ACE2. Now the full form of ACE2 is angiotensin converting enzyme 2. Now this enzyme, basically this receptor binds to a hormone which helps in controlling the blood pressure. It will basically inject its spike to that receptor ACE2 and it will enter in a cell. Like, see, imagine this is a key, this is a lock. Once the key and lock bind, virus can easily enter in a kingdom, that is a cell. Imagine cell is like a kingdom, and inside the kingdom you will find a palace that is known as nucleus. Imagine, it is not a palace, it's not a kingdom. So once the virus enter in a cell, it will inject its RNA inside it. Once the RNA enters inside the nucleus, it will form a DNA by reverse transcriptase enzyme. Once the DNA is formed, it will bind to our DNA and it will destroy our DNA function and it will rule the palace. Basically, it will hijack our nucleus and it will start selling our cell to secrete and proteins which will form its babies. So now our DNA is become functionless. Now this virus DNA will form so many coronavirus. Imagine this is a coronavirus, this is a coronavirus babies, and there will be so many babies. Now this cell will rupture and this baby will come out and they will infect other cells which are present in the lungs. Basically our lungs are made up of many cells. The virus will infect other cells and the cell will be destroyed. This is how you will feel very like you are not able to breathe, you feel very chill, fevers, and you are very tired because of that. But now this is finished. Why this is finished? Because we have antibodies, right? Antibodies now bind to these spikes, because they bind to these spikes, they no longer will bind to the receptors. If virus is not able to enter in the human cell, how he will produce babies? When we take vaccine, our body immune cells produce antibodies. These antibodies bind to the spikes. And they see, once the antibodies are produced in the human body, this antibody will bind to the spike, and once they will bind to the spike, they will call a dragon cell, that is macrophage, and this macrophage it's a very big cell. It is like a dragon. It will eat the coronavirus alive and it will finish the virus. Our body has many type of cells and they will infect and kill this cell very drastically, and they will finish this virus. because we are taking the vaccine and we have antibodies. But what happens in Omicron? Yeah, Omicron. Now Omicron, this RNA has changed 50 times at a point that is known as mutation. The mutation is change in a genetic material. So the virus genetic material is RNA, and RNA has undergo changes 50 times. Like last time virus only have gone 8 times mutation, and it has infected entire India, entire world. Imagine if mutation occur 50 times, then what will happen? Now this virus had undergo 50 time mutation. Oh my god, 50 time. And it, because of 50 time, it has produced more than 30 spikes. These spikes these keys are changed. Now 30 different type of keys are produced by this mutation. 50 mutation has produced 30 more than 30 different type of spikes, and these spikes will no longer will bind to antibodies. If I think so, most of the time it will not. We don't know either this antibody will bind to spikes or not. We are not sure about that. Research are going on. This topic is very recent, therefore research is going on. So we are scared because it will easily enter in the human body through these spikes. Spikes are like key. It will find any lock and it will open the lock and it will enter in the human body and it will infect many cells. But we are scared because we don't know the vaccine will work or not. We are not sure either the vaccine will work or not. It is more contagious. It is 4 times more contagious than the normal virus. 4 times, not 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. It is 4 times contagious. Like previously, if the 10 out of 10%, 8 people, like 2 people are infected, now 10 out of 10 people will be get infected because it is more contagious. It is spreading more rapidly. That's why we are scared. If it's spread in our country, poor people will become more poor and rich people will become richer and richer because they have resources. They will play with the money, right? So like we should maintain social distancing to prevent such virus to again form a pandemic. Third wave. I don't want to form a third wave, and anybody don't want to form a third wave. So therefore we should wear masks whenever we are going out. Even at the home you should wear masks, right? Like whenever you're meeting anyone, you should wear mask and you should prevent a very huge party and gathering and etc. And you should travel less as possible because it may spread. Like there are many cases in India, I think so. Recently a doctor had came from Africa and people from the Africa had spread this. I think so 1-2 people are suffering from this new strain in India. So people like this basically is very like in Africa there is very lack of hospitality. Like so therefore this virus had dominated in that area. Now it has like mutated in that area. Now it is spreading in other countries. So we should prevent like traveling in other countries as far as possible. For now. Hmm? Yeah. It is very harmful. This virus can be harmful. Now we don't know either it is harmful or not harmful, but because of so many mutation, I'm scared because it can be harmful. But whenever I will get a new thing about this virus, I will tell you on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much.